Used to this raga rhythm when I was extremely sick because I'm a total artist. Thanks to my parents, my gurus, everything, whatever you want, I knew. And Varunji came to serve dinner for me and my husband. We were ailing. That Varun brought me here. Please clap. Clap. And he just brought to me a real diamond. Maybe so many years, 70 years, I'm still a student. I would love to be a student and die. And then he brought me to a diamond. And this diamond is something, it shines in everybody wherever I see. And sadly, I have to leave because my goal is somewhere else, spiritually, and also I requested Sir that since I started my Veena at 12 and learned some 70 songs which has come back to me, the doctor said I can hold it on my lap and play. He has blessed me. So I will come for any program of yours and never miss his programs. Then I was introduced to this class where I was only sitting there. After a long time, the parents came and that day Sir asked, will you sing something? Actually, I never sing film songs, thanks to all of you. And the best reward is Sir sent me to Star. And Star has given me the Star Award 4 days back. I am the Star Award. I don't know, that is for him. That is for him. So, a small gift for your class.
Wow.
This gives Aishwarya, Lakshmi, humbleness, love, peace, togetherness, acceptance, and endurance. This is everything for us. This Sir. I'm very happy and to tell you that please remember there is no age bar. Not that I'm talking about my life. I went to US at 32 years. I was a housewife because my in-laws and all the whole customs don't believe in dance. So when I went, I joined a school because my child was crying as a volunteer parent. Then the principal said, you are an excellent teacher. You seem to be a teacher, just join. I said, I can't. Call me